Hiya! Welcome to Ginger's Powder, where I make your cooking easier. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cheesy yellow plantain pie. So keep watching. I started off by prepping all of my aromatics, which were grated onion and grated garlic, I also added some parsley flakes, some thyme, some black pepper, and some ground clove powder, as well as some green onions. I'm adding some lardon, which is bacon strips, so you can just take a thick slice of bacon and cut it up and you will get lardon, and it gives extra flavor, smoky flavor, and it is super yummy, but it is also optional. We're gonna let our bacon cook and turn it from time to time. I also added a couple tablespoons of vinegar. When your bacon is brown like this, add in your aromatics and mix it in well. My house was smelling divine. So let your aromatics cook down and soften. Until it looks like this, and set it aside. Let's go ahead and prep our plantain. I went ahead and cut the tip off of each plantain. Cutting the tip off usually makes it easier to peel when it's cooked. And usually the blacker your plantain, the sweeter it is, so that means it is extremely ripe. Give your plantain a good rinse and then add them to your pot. Add some water to cover your plantain and then let them boil until they're super soft. Check if they're done using a fork. Remember, they have to be super soft. Sometimes cooking is about being organized. So I got my bowl ready, I got my plate, and I got my garbage. Grab yourself a plantain, put it on your plate, peel it off, add the peel to your garbage bowl, and then add your peeled plantain to your big bowl so that it can get mashed. So this was my setup. I hope this can help you at home as well. Let's do it again. Grab a plantain, add it to your plate, peel the plantain, add the peel to the garbage bowl, and then add the peeled plantain to your bowl so that it can get mashed. And of course, if you have a potato masher, feel free to use it. I don't, so I'm using a fork. When all your plantain are mashed, we're going to start to build up our pie. We're going to add some heavy whipping cream, and then we're going to add some grated cheese. Mix well and be sure to use your favorite cheese. I'm using some French Emmental cheese. Let's add our bacon. You can add as much or as little bacon as you would want, but it should be a good ratio between plantain and bacon. Our plantain pie is coming together nicely. Be sure to check the comment section for the exact measurements and ingredients. I added another cup of heavy whipping cream and I mixed it well. I gave my mixture a taste and then I decided to add some salt to balance the sweetness of the plantain. To finish, I added 1 cup of milk and I mixed well, and our mixture is ready. Grab your oven safe dish and add your plantain pie mixture to it. Your mixture should resemble a mashed potato. Let's evenly distribute our mixture. I created some dents in my pie for no particular reason. I just don't like it when it's too smooth. And then I added as much cheese as I wanted. I added an even layer of cheese onto my pie, and then I sprinkled it with some milk so that it doesn't dry out in the oven while it's cooking. Then I baked my pie for 30 minutes. There you have it, guys. Our sweet and savory yellow plantain pie is ready. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and tell me where you're watching from. This plantain pie is perfect to accompany your next Sunday's lunch, so don't hesitate to make it. Serve yourself a nice baked slice of this cheesy plantain pie. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I post videos every Sunday. And as always, cook at home and cook with love. See you next time.